Hello everybody, it's FoxPeaTwo here. If you don't know who I am, I don't blame you because I haven't made a video in a very long time. But I am glad to be back. So today, I'm going to try out a new feature where I interview a fellow rider and create a little feature out of it. So today I'm heading out to meet JayArr2w, a fellow rider and motovlogger, and a local guy who I met through Instagram, and we've ridden together a couple of times, and I figured I'll give you guys the chance to get to know him a little better as well. So let's head on out there and meet Jay. Fun fact for you, this is a town that I used to live in, that most of my videos were at least shot in at the start. That place makes excellent pizza. It's a nice little town. Movies have been shot here, like It, which I show you a little bit of in this video. There's going to be a microbrewery there. That's going to be pretty cool. I will definitely be going there. Not that that interests anyone at all. This is about nothing, but I was shooting this video so as I roll into the place I can give JayArr2w a big point and a what up and get a cool video of us like rolling up to him. So that's why I'm just rambling about this town that you don't care about right now. And there he is, JayArr2w. So here we go, we're gonna do our little point thing that we talked about. He's not even looking. What up? Go on, Jay.
How's it going, FoxPeaTwo?
Pretty good, pretty good. Quite the view we have here.
A nice view, I like it.
Nice little bench.
Yep.
So, tell us a little bit about yourself.
So, my name's Jeff. I go by JayArr2w. The JR is actually my initials of my first and last name. And the 2W because I'm on two wheels.
How long have you been riding?
I've been riding since 2017, which is when I got my first bike, which is this bike right here, the CBR 500.
Tell us a little bit about this bike you have here.
So it's a 2017 Honda CBR 500R. It's orange and black. I have quite a few mods on it. Nothing too crazy, nothing done to the actual engine too much. I do have an aftermarket exhaust on there. It's a Hot Bodies Racing MGP. Sounds pretty good. It's not not too loud, not too quiet. Nice and perfect in the middle for me at least. I got the dark windscreen on there. I got the TST Industries fender eliminator kit, as well as the Moto Dynamics integrated taillight. What else do I got on there? I think I'm probably missing something, but I think that's everything. Oh, I do have the aftermarket brake and shift levers on the front there. I do have those on there as well. I believe they're CRGs. See, I knew I forgot something. So I picked this bike. This is actually my very first bike ever in my life. I never rode dirt bikes or anything like that either when I was younger, so this is my very first ever motorcycle. And main reason why I picked it was because I wanted to start out on something smaller engine wise. It's a 500cc, so it's it's not super fast. I wasn't looking to kill myself on my first bike, so I'm kind of glad I went that route.
So, what do you like about your bike? What are your favorite things about it?
My favorite thing about it would be probably the exhaust. It sounds very good to me. I like downshifting, making it pop, stuff like that. It doesn't get extra loud until you start, once you get up in the high RPMs. Down in the low RPMs, it's a nice low growl.
And what do you don't like about it, if I can be so brash as to ask that question?
Oh man, sometimes I do wish it was a bit faster, to be honest. Although I do like how fast it goes now. Just sometimes, especially when I'm on the highway, that's when I really wish it was a bit more, had a bigger, had a bit more CCs to it. Oh yeah, the other thing I don't like about it, this was more when I first got the bike, was the fact that there was no gear indicator on the dash screen. But as I gain experience and stuff, I come to realize that you don't really need a gear indicator. You just go by feel, by sound. I know that was one thing I didn't really like in the beginning, but now I'm kind of all right with.
And do you have any advice for new riders?
Definitely go out, decide what kind of style of bike you want. If you want a cruiser, sports bike, or anything, adventure bike, whatever it may be. Go out and compare all your options. Make sure the one that you pick is the one that you want. Definitely test ride it if possible. That way you can actually feel the bike. Do the safety course. I did the safety course when I got my M1, and it actually it helped me a lot. I actually learned a lot from the course. I know a lot of people don't do it, but you actually do learn a lot. It does make you a more comfortable rider. Plus, you get to save a little bit on insurance. So that's the plus there.